You all are fine and good. Now we are still learning more about SQL, and now we are moving towards where case and switch clause. There are many ways you can use switch and case in SQL. You may also use in where clause, you may also use in select statement. Now, before start this session, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, that is Virtual Pro, and give a feedback what you feel and what type of videos you also want, so that we will work upon it and upload these on your request. Let's start our session. I already selected database by using use command. Use database name and go and press execute button, or you may also use shortcut keys, which is F5. Now I use select statement, select from table name, and execute it. Now I'm going to apply switch and case upon this add by field. You may also use any you can also use switch case on any field, whatever you want. For example, I use this upon add by field. For this add by, to use switch case, you first type when add by, first type case when add by is equal to, we use apostrophe because this field is contain varchar character, and this field is default varchar based. If it is a numeric field, then we don't use this apostrophe signs. Then admin user when else. Now I am using else keyword if these values, if in this field there are other than these field or record like support, posting or super, if there are other things or other record or other values, then it will display as other user. And now we successfully run it. We also use static command, show all values. Okay, now let's see and analyze what happened. If add by field have super value, then it show admin user. It will show whatever you want. When there is any other thing like administrator, then it will show administrator account. If I will use other than posting user, then it will show what should be here. And now if now move towards support user, then it will show us system support user, because we mentioned here system support. So you may, it's all up to you, whatever you want and what results you needed. Like if I change hosting user, moderate user, let's see, it will show moderate user. So we also can use this case using where clause. To simplify and give you whole description, a whole thing, I will move this next line, so it will be easy to see all the queries and values. Where Now first we will take this and so it gives a result. Now we use this to simplify all the things. I'm trying to see you. How to apply I am trying to apply case in where clause. Now we are using this order by because it will case and when clause can't be using where with where clause. So you have only use in select statement and order by clause. Now I have tried that. Now it gives our result and DSC. So you may see that it gives that result. Now we can also use arithmetic operator whenever we want to use, like I am using not equal to, then it will give me dash. If I want whatever I can use using arithmetic operation, as we have seen in our previous session how we will use arithmetic operator in SQL statements. So same way and same methodology can be applied using case when clause. Next time we will learn more about SQL. For this session is ended. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel, that is Virtual Pro, and give a feedback what you want and what more videos you want to upload. Thanks.